Hi, how you doing? In case we haven't met yet, I'm Justin Sandico. I'm a guitar player and a guitar teacher. I've been playing guitar my whole life since I was a little kid. I've been teaching guitar for over 30 years, online for nearly 20 years. And quite some time ago now, I made the JustinGuitar Lessons and Songs app with a great app development company called Musopia. It's been the highest rated guitar learning app on all of the app stores for quite some time now. We're super proud of it. It's helped millions of people learn to play guitar. It's kind of our mission to try and help millions of people realize their dreams of getting proficient on the guitar. But we'd love some feedback from you. So if you've just started learning guitar or been thinking about learning guitar, I'd love for you to complete our survey, which is going to give us loads of feedback, help make the app and the website loads better. Now, it's only going to take a few minutes of your time, but we know time is really valuable. So we're going to give one of the people who completes the whole survey an iPad, an Apple iPad, which is a very, very cool prize. The survey is going to be open from the 5th to the 31st of May, and we'll announce the winner and contact them by email shortly after that. It is only going to take a few minutes of your time, but we really, really appreciate it if you could, you can spare me a few minutes to complete that survey. There'll be a link in the description, either above or below, depending on what platform you're watching this video on. I really hope you'll go and check it out. Have yourselves a fantastic day, and I'll see you for plenty more lessons real soon. Got a little bit of time to go. I just broke my finger at Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu last night, so I've got to wait for that little bad boy to heal before I can play properly. But yeah, just a bit of extra information that you didn't really need. Anyway, hope you're having a better day than me. I'll see you for more very soon. You take care. Bye-bye.